How's it going, everybody? Todd here. Today we're going to install the side window deflectors from Goodyear on this 2019 and up body style Chevy Silverado 1500. Now, this is a similar installation on other applications, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start on the rear on the driver's side. Everything we do on the driver's side will be repeating on the passenger side, but the first thing you want to do is dry fit this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up at the front and see where the notch out is going to line up to the frame on the window, and then also kind of bring it down to where it rests on the window jamb up at the top. So this is where our placement is going to be. Now, I've already wiped down this whole surface with rubbing alcohol, and that's something you need to do to prep that surface. Next, what I'm going to do is peel away some of my 3M tape, a little bit on this portion here. Just bring it out to the side, and then also up on the corner. And what I want to do is bring it up to where whenever I put it up against the truck, I can peel that tape away and leave the adhesive touching the paint. All right, next we're going to go ahead and set it up against the vehicle. And make sure it's nice and lined up. Bring it down into place, and then press down to get adhesion. Once you get your initial adhesion, then you can go ahead and start peeling away the tape. Now initially, you just want to press lightly with the tape. That way you can pull it out. If you press too hard, a lot of times it's hard to get the tape out from behind. Now that you've got all the tape out of the way, now we can go ahead and push down with really good force to get good adhesion. It can also be helpful to take like a microfiber cloth, something like that, and push down as you drag back and forth across the adhesive area. All right, let's go ahead and move to the front. All right, now for the front, it's pretty much the same process. Again, we are going to line it up and dry fit it so that we know exactly where it's going to set and rest. Once we have it in place, go ahead and prep this surface with rubbing alcohol. I've already done that. So I'm going to go ahead and peel back the tape just like I did for the rear. And set it in place. As you're setting it in place, you also want to make sure you're lined up perfectly with your rear. All right, now we can go ahead and push down and get our initial adhesion. Now that it's tacked, let's go ahead and push down with good force to get the proper bond to the paint. When you're done, repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well guys, that's all it takes for this installation. You can do the whole thing in about 15 minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.